I used to spend about $400 every single month on takeouts that arrived cold, tasted average, and left me completely exhausted by 3 p.m. Most days I sit at my desk scrolling delivery apps, eating something rushed, and wondering why my energy always crashes in the afternoon. That was my normal routine, until I discovered meal prep freezer molds that completely changed how I eat during work weeks. Most people think meal prep means sacrificing your entire Sunday in the kitchen, cooking complicated recipes, washing endless dishes, and forcing yourself to eat the same boring meals 3 days in a row. And by Wednesday, you're already sick of it, ordering food again, and telling yourself meal prep just doesn't work for you. But here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to cook full meals or live in the kitchen all day. You can make 10 different dishes in about 90 minutes, freeze them into Lego blocks, and build 5 completely different balanced meals every week. No stove, no cooking, no decision during your work week. I tested the system for a week. Every day I spun a wheel to randomly choose 3 frozen cubes for lunch, protein, vegetables, and starch. No blending, no thinking. And every single meal tasted like it came straight out of the pan. Not frozen, not watery, not sad. In this video I show you the exact 10 recipes, the timing system, and the 1 portion mistake you must avoid. Here's how the batch 1 eat 5 system works. I cooked 3 proteins, 4 vegetables, and 3 starches. Each meal is just 1 from each category. That's it. This gives you the variety without complexity. Same efficiency, prep progress, but completely different flavor combinations every single day. But before I show you the recipes, you need to understand the one mistake that ruins most meal prep attempts. And that mistake has nothing to do with motivation, discipline, or willpower. It's portionating, size, and it matters way more than people realize. Some cubes were too big and turned into almost 2 meals. Others were perfectly single servings. It all depends on how dense the food is. The Korean chicken with salad takes less space. The turkey chili needs more. You don't get this right instantly. You learn it fast once you start freezing and reheat. For protein, I made turkey chili and tofu choreo. All 2 to freeze and reheat in about 6 to 7 minutes without losing texture or flavor. No dryness, no weird freeze taste, just real food that still tastes fresh. Next are the vegetables, braised cabbage, sweet potato mash, and an eggplant chickpea blend. By roasting and grilling everything in a large batch, I saved an incredible amount of time. 1 oven, 1 pan, maximum output. Starches, I kept it simple but powerful. Rice and black beans. The pressure cooker and the rice cooker did most of the work, while I prepped everything else. This is where batch cooking really shines. You're stacking tasks instead of doing them one by one. Reheating times ran identical. Turkey chili stayed frozen longer, but 7 minutes in the microwave turned out to be a sweet spot. Every single meal came out hot, balanced and satisfying, like it had just been cooked, not stored in a freezer for days. The real win is time. I cooked more food at once to account for freezing, and now I spend less time in the kitchen overall. 5 meals ready every Monday morning, 7 minutes to reheat. Steady energy through afternoon meetings, no delivery apps, no decision fatigue. Instead of wasting 2 or more hours every week on food decisions and expensive delivery, everything is handled in 90 minutes in a Sunday session. No cooking during the work week, consistent energy, less stress. This isn't about being a chef. It's about following a system that removes food as a problem from your life. If you want the exact shopping list, timing sequence, and container setup I put together a complete guide for the batch 1 eat 5 system. It includes healthy recipes, plus 1 weekly recipe so you never get bored. The link is in the description, made for busy professionals who care about performance and self-care. If you thought the video was helpful, just leave a like and a